It's been a fantastic event here in Barcelona.
I think this is a wonderful event. So many workshops, many people to meet, lots of customers are around, lots of suppliers are around. Yeah, it's amazing.
I met with so many companies, so the good thing about it is I had connected with a lot of people on LinkedIn prior to coming to the event. It's been really great to meet with people and finally put a face to the people that I've been talking to on LinkedIn.
It's a very interesting show, very vertically integrated from the software to the hardware to the materials level. So we are always learning, having interesting exchange with the visitors, with the customers. So it's always a super experience being in AutoSens.
Thank you all for being here. We hope to see you again soon.